Hi guys, Retro Dingo here. Today we're gonna take a look at the Jurassic Park limited edition. We just got it home, installed playfield projectors, some green rubbers also, and we have been playing this game for the whole day now with my best friend, and I'm telling you, it's my best friend's favorite theme. And I also grew up with Jurassic Park. I also like the theme. Not my favorite, but really high. But the game, it's an awesome game. So many feel-good shots, awesome modes. Now this one, the firmware is zero point 0, so it's an early revision, I know. Great music from the movie. Callouts is like, I think it's the same voice as the guys from Iron Maiden, same designer, Keith Elvira. It's an awesome game, but it's just so frustrating to play it. I mean, we have been playing for hours now, and we're just not even frustrated anymore. We're just angry because it has got these really tight shots. It's got some different shot to make the Raptor multi-ball, Chaos multi-ball. The shots are right there, but they're just not easy, guys. I'm gonna show you in a minute how the shots and the layout is, and I mean, it's a great game. It's a fun pin. It's a shooter's pin. It has got amazing combo shots. I mean, it's one of the best. I like Iron Maiden's combo shots, but this one is, I can't say it's better, but it's as good as the Iron Maiden. Yeah, that's just how I feel. So let's take a look at this pin, this really fun but frustrating pin. I think the newer revision code updates, the game has to be Raptor multi-ball. You have to shoot that pit so many times. It's just, yeah. So let's just let's take a look at it, guys. All right, let's take a closer look at the Jurassic Park limited edition. Also, Elvira is also pretty new. But the cabinet artwork is great on the limited edition. The sides here, green, metallic green, looks great. Legs are green, looks great. Art, I really like the art. The playfield, I mean, it's from the comics. It's not directly photoshopped from the movie, but it's still, I like it. It's okay. The back glass over here, again, this is the limited edition. It is, I like the back glass. I just wish that we had this gate from the movie, that we had that on the playfield with some doors opening and welcome to Jurassic Park. Other than that, when this old guy in the movie says welcome to Jurassic Park, I mean, they have imitated the same voice, but the call-outs, I mean, if I should say something negative about this pin, then it's the call-outs. They're imitating the actors, and it doesn't sound that good. So over here, guys, on the limited edition, this T-Rex, it moves its head in X and Y axles, and it can grab the ball with the magnet. And it can throw the ball around, or it can lay it on the left ramp. So that's the first thing. Other than that, we have the shaker motor installed. We have the Invisiglass installed. We have these beautiful side art installed. Looks great. I especially like the head of the T-Rex there. Looks great. The eyes there. And over here we have the Raptor. When you hit the Raptor, it has got this little metal arm that pushes the Raptor to move. It's all right. It has got the this gate you have to shoot down. The mechanics is different. On the Pro version, you don't have that. You can just hit this raptor target and it will go out from the left side, from the C shot. And it's different on the LE and the premium version. Yeah. Other than that, yeah, we have got this spinning chopper. It's great. It makes great spinning sounds. And I think that's about it. Of course, it's got the green armor and all that, just like other LEs. But other than that, I think the Pro version, you get a lot of pinball for your money. Of course, different artwork. Of course. But the gameplay, I mean, guys, to make Chaos Multiball, you have to hit these, you have to spell chaos. And you can see this tight shot, see, this really easy shot, the left ramp, H. And the A is right ramp. And the O over here, I mean, as you can see, it's an orbit shot and it's just right there. But I'm telling you guys, that O shot, when you don't need to hit it, you hit it. But if you want to collect that O, it's just so hard to get. And the S target is over here at the far right side. And you have to hit that with a pretty decent power, you know, because it has to loop 180, come up here. And it's got the same loop over here at the tower shot. Have to loop up there. That's a really nice multi-ball. And the other one is hitting this barrier and it will open, and you can see it says gate, it says capture, and it says 10,000 volts down there, like in the movie. So you can capture your ball here, capture a raptor, and you have to hit it 26 times before you start that one. So it's not easy. From the upper right flipper, when you loop, you can loop here, but it's just so fast. It's not easy to make multiple loops like the Iron Maiden, like the Star Trek pinball, but it's just so fast. So when you make that loop, the second time you hit it, it's just perfect to get the tower shot. And again, 180, so we can go down here. Really feel good shot. Love that tower shot. Not easy, but it's great. From that upper right flipper, you can also hit these Newton balls at the Jeep over there. And if you hit them 4 times, I think, then you will start T-Rex multi-ball. Then the head will go down on the ramp and it will open its mouth, so you can shoot the ball in the T-Rex's mouth. And it's really nice way to start the multi-ball. I like that. And the T-Rex multi-ball is so easy to start. It's got this beautiful spinner that says spitter. I mean, the sound of the spinner is just amazing. You have these 2 blue shots down there that are blocked by these balls, so you have to hit the car to gain access to them. This shot through the pinballs, through the pop bumpers to get the target up there. Great shot. I really like that. The left ram is so easy to hit. The right ram, again, is right there, but I don't know why. It's just not easy to hit again. And after that ram, we have the O shot, and I just told you how I felt about that. So this is the Jurassic Park limited edition, and I'm telling you guys, I like this one, but it's just we just have to play better. It's a frustrating pinball, guys. But yeah, this is just a fast review. As you can see, we have installed playfield protector, we have installed green rubber, and yeah, it looks so great, guys. Let's just take a quick look at some other pins we have got here. Deadpool, really like this one. Guardians, again, a limited edition, looks great. And soon to come, a closer look at this limited edition Elvira. I mean, this one looks nice, but we haven't played it because the playfield protectors has not been produced yet. They will be produced and shipped to Denmark in about 2 weeks. After that, we will install the protector and play this game, because we don't want to play on Stern pinballs without the playfield protector. That's just a rule we have. We respect these machines so much, especially the limited editions, because as you can see, the limited editions, look at this, worldwide only produced 400, and these were sold in a flash. I think I read somewhere that all the 400s were sold in 2 hours or something like that. This is just, yeah, limited edition, guys. So let's respect these for the next generation. Install playfield protector before the first ball, and then play them like crazy. So another review will be coming up with this one. Again, beautiful pin, guys. Look at the house. Looks nice. Looks so nice. The moon at the back. Great animations. Elvira. Again, this is the limited edition, so you have the side blades here. Looks great. Well, that will come in another review after we have played it like crazy, just like we have done with this awesome Jurassic Park. So until next time, play some pinball, guys. Bye.